Welcome to Virginia, and say hello to the quiet country life you've been dreaming of. Tucked away in the heart of the Clays Mill community, this beautiful farmhouse sits proudly on 12 rolling acres, bringing you that classic Southern charm with room to grow, explore, and build a life that feels like home. As you pull in, you're greeted by a wide, welcoming front porch, perfect for rocking chairs, sweet tea, and long conversations. As the sun sets, step inside to discover a home filled with warm character, thanks to the beautifully refinished original hardwood floors that run through the main level. Each board telling a story, each step reminding you that this place was built to last. The updates are already done, with replacement windows, a metal roof, and a new HVAC system. All installed in 2018, so you can settle in without worry. The layout feels open, comfortable, and just right for a growing family with 1,800 square feet of living space. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a spacious living room, a dining room that's ready for holiday feasts, and a cozy family room that's just waiting for game nights and movie marathons. Whether you're looking to start a small homestead or simply escape the noise of town life, this property has what you need. Outside, you'll find a double-car garage, perfect for vehicles, tools, or weekend projects. And there's a barn too, ready for storage, livestock, or that workshop you've always wanted. Step out back to the screened porch, where you can sip your morning coffee, watch the birds, and feel that gentle Virginia breeze. The land is a mix of open spaces and partial fencing, making it easy to start a garden, keep chickens, or even bring in a few goats or horses. It's peaceful out here, but you're still close enough to town for all the essentials. This property is ideal for anyone who's dreaming of a starter farm, a weekend retreat, or a full-time life rooted in nature. Imagine planting a garden, raising animals, or just living life at a slower, more meaningful pace. It's a place to build, to create, to call your own. And if you've been longing for a home that offers space, simplicity, and soul, this is it. Just keep in mind, this home is available to cash buyers or conventional loans only. It does not qualify for USDA, FHA, or VA loans. So be sure to talk with your agent about your options. But if you're ready to embrace the country life, to walk on your own land, to build a life that feels peaceful and real, then don't wait. Homes like this don't last. Call your agent today